Golden Gate Bridge makes screeching sound some say caused physiological distress, report. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below. Officials in San Francisco are working to figure out a way to quiet a low hum coming from the famed Golden Gate Bridgethat has become annoying to some residents. SFGate.com reported Wednesday that the noise was first reported on June 5. The culprit is reportedly the northwest winds hitting the bridge's sidewalk railings that have recently been installed in a retrofitting. The Marin Independent Journal reported earlier this week that some residents at a meeting on Friday said the noisethat was produced sounded like torture and caused them physiological distress. Ewa Bauer-Furbush, the chief engineer for the Golden Gate Bridge Highway and Transportation District, said at the meeting that engineers were unaware that the sound would be produced, according to the journal. Consultants have been asked to help solve the issue. To view the full article, click the first link in the description below.